Nobody tells you how expensive groceries can be. Can y'all believe it? It's been 5 years since he proposed and 3 years since we got married. And thanks for surviving 3 years with me. So I just went grocery shopping. Got some coriander. Stocked up on my onions as well as my garlic. Look at these onions. Can someone tell me if they're gonna spoil? Like, I couldn't find any really nice ones. They're just like dropping everywhere. Oh, I also went to Duke's Bakery and I bought a sourdough. Nobody tells you how expensive groceries can be. Like, literally, I think I spend like hundreds of dollars a month on groceries. Yeah. Anyway, the lady at Duke's Bakery actually recognized me and said hi. So hello, if you're watching this. And in order to get the $2 off, you need to get a minimum spend of $9.90. I decided to buy some pumpkin seeds and then I burst it by spending $15. Frozen belly cubes. So these are pork belly cubes. I think they're gonna add a lot of flavor to my shakshuka later, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Time to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is one of my favorite things to eat in a cafe, and it's actually supposedly really simple to make, so let's go and make it. The shakshuka was such a huge success. I'm gonna leave the recipe as I show you guys how I made it, and of course if you would like, you can follow me on Mongabong Eats on my foodie Instagram account. Yeah, so that's where I usually spam all of my food without irritating you guys too much on my main account. We're drinking quite a bit today, and we're drinking sake out of a wine glass, which is a really nice way to drink sake. So if you want to try, go try it. Gotta have my coffee. This is literally the fastest and the easiest coffee to go. Today we're going to go back on a shoot. It is a 4 hours shoot that will be with, I can't remember. Oh, People's Association. So I'm bringing my girls Celeste and Ashley with me. It's both of their first shoots. I think they're as excited, as nervous as I am. So let's go. Starting the shoot. It's barely been 1 hour, but excited.
Dinner.
We are celebrating 3 years of marriage. Time flies, right, guys? Can y'all believe it? It's been 5 years since he proposed and 3 years since we got married. And thanks for surviving 3 years with me.
Thanks for surviving.
It's the thinnest sourdough I've ever seen. Is this it, guys?
Sauce, try this for the sauce is still hot.
Thank you. This one dashi with sea grapes.
Chicken and smoked yolk. And then outside the crystal ball we make from a caramel sugar.
Alright, and I'm home. Just changed out into my PJs. Dinner at table 65 was actually not bad. I think the prices are relatively affordable, but the wine list is like really expensive. Like the most affordable glass of red wine is going at 38 plus plus. So usually, like even at this kind of like Michelin star restaurants, you'll be able to find something in the high 20s, you know, but $38 was like just one glass, the rest were all like 48, 58. Yeah, so but the food was not bad. I would recommend it because I think the menu is relatively affordable at 178 plus plus for 5 courses. But if you're a big eater, I think you might be hungry. Like right now, I'm like just filled, you know, like so Matt is definitely hungry and I can definitely eat one more dessert after this. I am just staring at all of the things I need to unbox. My Easy Buy stuff just reached. My Samsung spinning sweeper, that's a new attachment on my bespoke jetboard, which is my vacuum cleaner. It's a mop. I'm very excited for that. I've got something from Charles and Keith as well, so let's unbox this one. Oh, it's so cute! Indeed, it's the core bag. So Matt went to buy me some black ball. It's in the fridge. It's currently 11. Yeah, shouldn't be eating this right now, but it's gonna go bad if I don't. So I have no choice. Let me know what your black ball order usually is, and if you are a bigger fan of black ball or nine fresh. I am a bigger fan of black ball because like I don't really see nine fresh around that often. I think it's mostly in places that I hardly go to, so that's why. And I personally really like black ball, and because I think that their grass jelly is super 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 like soft and like very smooth. Alrighty, I think I will say goodbye to this vlog because it's really long. And I can't believe it's been 3 years. 3 years since we got married. 3 years, guys. I don't know how many of you guys can't talk. I don't know how many of you guys actually have been following us since we got married, or and I know that quite a few of my followers tell me that they only noticed my channel and started subscribing only after the proposal video, which was 5 years ago. Can you believe it? I'm gonna leave all of the wedding video as well as the proposal video in the description box below in case you missed it. But I just want to say a big thank you for just following me in my life and just journeying with me through life and growing old with me through all these years. And it's something that I never expected that I will still be doing after so long. But you know, like how I promised myself and how I promised you guys, I don't think I'm gonna stop anytime soon. And if anything, I think this is really my passion, and I don't ever want to stop sharing, even if it means, you know, like me being gray and old and me having nobody to watch me anymore. I hope I will still continue to love what I do, which is to share about my life and create content for y'all. So I really appreciate every one of you and every single comment that you guys give, be it good or bad. Looking back, I don't know, I feel like I've grown so much, and I have hopefully also, I don't know, I hope that like over all these years you guys also got to know me a little bit better, and I also feel like I got to know some of you guys a little bit better, especially those of you who are like usual commenters, people who usually follow me and tell me that you love watching my vlogs. And a big shout out to some of you guys like Yen E, Gracia, Faith. All of you guys are really one of the biggest reasons why I'm still doing what I do today. So yay! Alright, good night. Bye. Love y'all.